All right, boys and girls, welcome back to the drive-through. Special shout out to Holly G. Thanks for these questions. Okay. All right. So number one, the hard part of this one, or sorry, number 9. The hard part about this one is picking the right points. Okay. So notice, if we pick 0, that gives us 3 minus 2 times 0 is 0 squared. So if you put in a 0, you get a 9. Okay. Let's try a 1. If you put in a 1, you get 3 minus 2 times 1 is 2. That's 1 squared is 1. You get a 1. Okay? So far, not bad. Let's try a 2. You get 3 minus 2 times 2 is 4. Negative 1 squared. If you put in a 2, you also get a 1. How about if we put in a negative 1? Oh, we don't want to do that, I don't think. Nope. All right, and let's put in a 3. 2 times 3 is 6. 3 minus 6 is negative 3 squared, and you also get a 9. So let me plot these. You get 0, 9. You get 1, 1. 2, 1. And so hopefully you can see your symmetry here, and you know from the things we've learned this year that that is going to be a parabola, okay? So we need to find the vertex. Well, the vertex is going to happen right here, in between 1 and 2. So what if we typed in a 1.5? Well, you would get 3. What's 2 minus 1.5? Oh, sorry, what's 2 times 1.5? 2 times 1.5 is 3. Oh, that makes sense. We're going to get a 3 minus 3 squared, which is 0. And there's our vertex right there. Okay, you could have also literally just put this into your calculator. Just type it in right and let your calculator graph it, and then look at the table if you wanted a list of points. Okay, so now that we've got that done, that's the hard part. It's much easier now to find the inverse, because all we need to do is they just want us to graph it. So what was 0, 9 becomes 9, 0. 1, 1 stays 1, 1. 2, 1 becomes 1, 2. And 3, 9 becomes 9, 3. And this becomes 0, 1.5. So we have 9, 0. We have 1, 1. That's still on there. We have 1.5, 0. Or sorry, 0, 1.5. We have 1, 2. And we have 9, 3. So you can see. Now, one thing that's true about all these inverse relationships is that they have symmetry across this diagonal line, y equals x. So if you remember what symmetry means, it means same on both sides. So that means like this point is the same point there as it is here, etc. Okay? Okay. The next question is number 17. I like this question, but I don't like the first part of directions A. So let me just, if I could restate that, I think you guys would understand this better. Instead of writing find the inverse, I think it should tell you solve this formula for R. Okay, so let's do that. You get A equals pi R squared. Okay, we want to solve it for R, so divide each side by pi. And you get A over pi equals R squared. Take the square root of both sides, and you get R is the square root of A over pi. Okay? So it says use the inverse to find the radius of a circle. So what is the radius when the area is 82? Well, it's the square root of 82 over pi. Let me see if I can get this right this time. And you get R equals 5.108 inches. I hope that helps. Boom!